Welcome to Baz Travels. After driving 14,826 kilometers through 24 states and Washington DC, I've seen rocket launches to the Grand Canyon and Hoover Dam. I've explored Route 66, ghost towns, deserts, snow, and beaches on both coasts. From Vegas casinos to Alcatraz, the White House to Hollywood. Join me for a journey of the ordinary and the extraordinary.
Loading destination. Simulation starting in 3, 2, 1. To look around, move your phone or tablet. Click and drag if on a computer or move your head if using a VR headset. Please like and subscribe.
Cleveland Public Square is an absolute epicenter of the land. A 10-acre historical crossroads where the city's past and future collide in a vibrant green landscape. Originally laid out by city founder Moses Cleaveland in 1796, this space has evolved from a simple grazing pasture into a world-class urban park. Surrounded by the towering heights of Terminal Tower and the Key Tower, the square feels like the city's living room, a place where the rhythmic pulse of downtown traffic meets the steady, calm energy of open lawns and splash pads. The architectural centerpiece here is the Soldiers and Sailors Monument, a massive ornate tribute to the Civil War veterans of Cuyahoga County. Completed in 1894, its dark stone and intricate bronze reliefs tell the story of the struggle for freedom, anchored by a soaring 125-foot column topped with a figure of liberty. It's a literal fortress of history sitting right in the middle of a modern metropolis, serving as a reminder that Cleveland has always been the city of conviction and strength. Just a few steps away, the vibe shifts to the iconic Terminal Tower, which was once the second tallest building in the world. Its grand Beaux Art design looms over the square, acting as a timeless beacon for the 216. The massive square itself underwent a massive $50 million renovation in 2016, transforming it into a unified, pedestrian-friendly sanctuary. Gone are the intersecting bus lanes, in their place are sweeping pathways, a lush event lawn, and a seasonal ice rink that keeps the energy high all year round. Public squares where Cleveland celebrates, whether it's the massive Winterland lights, championship parades, or just a Tuesday afternoon lunch crowd. This is where the people of the city come to connect. It's a space that manages to feel both grand and intimate, reflecting the rugged elegance of the city's character. From the historic bronze statues of Moses Cleaveland and Tom L. Johnson, to the modern cafe and fountains, every corner of the square has a story to tell. Standing in the center of it all, you can see the entire history of Cleveland's growth in a single 360-degree turn. It's the anchor of the city's grid and the beating heart of its civic pride. Public Square isn't just a destination, it's the place where the spirit of the land is most visible, providing that even after 2 centuries, this is still where the city comes together to make its mark.
Simulation terminated. Please comment, like and subscribe.